everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today's project, I thought about it. So I thought about something handy you can use with everything. So you can go for a posh place or simple place. So you can make it for the use you want it. Today I'm going to show you how to make a slim hand pouch less than 50 minutes. Make and go. So let's make this slim hand pouch. I made it on faux leather. It's very handy, very slim. You can put your wallet, your keys, your phone, your lipsticks, your mascara, our makeup. Gorgeous. So girls, let's rock and roll. For our slim hand pouch, we are going to need double tape, the ring. We are going to need a piece of fabric measuring 7 centimeters per 2 centimeters. And we are going to need a zipper measuring 20 centimeters. We are going to need another piece of fabric measuring 2 centimeters per 30 centimeters. And another piece of fabric measuring 22 per 20 centimeters. That's all we need. Let's do our D-ring. So this square measuring 2 centimeters per 7. We are going to apply some double tape and we are going to fold in half. Make sure the edges are matching very well. And now we are going to top stitch both of sides. Like this. Now let's put our D-ring inside. Like this. Now we are going to keep this for a while, and now we are going to start our main body. I'm using faux leather, measuring 22 per 20. What we are going to do is measuring a line from 10 centimeters and half. We are going to leave 1 centimeter half on both sides, so 1.5 here. Now we are going to make another line 1 centimeter forward. Like this. Now we are going to trim off the rectangle. It's gonna stay like this. Now we are going to apply our double tape here, very close to the edge. On both sides. Now let's take our tape and now let's apply our zipper. So front of the zipper up, make sure the zipper is open. Now let's sew it all over around. like this. Now we are going to trim off the zipper. Now we are going to apply a little bit of tape here. Now we are going to fold this in half. Make sure all the edges are perfectly matching. Now we are going to round our corners. Now we are going to get our Dring. We are going to apply it on the side of the zipper here. And now we are going to stitch . For our wristband, we are going to need a stripe of fabric measuring 2 centimeters per 30 centimeters, a hook, and a double tape. So we are going to put our double tape on our fabric. I'm using faux leather. Now we are going to take this out. And we are going to fold this in half. Make sure the edges are matching. Don't pull the fabric because this have some elasticity and then it's gonna be all twisted. So just fold it. Edge with edge. Okay. Now we are going to top stitch both of sizes. Like this. So now we are going to apply on the top, and we are going to put our fabric here like this, and then we are going to fold, and now we are going to stitch here. I hope you enjoyed this video. We have a lot of easy projects on this channel. Please subscribe and turn the notifications on so you can be notified for the next video. I will leave here 2 more videos with easy sewing projects as well. Please have a go. So, Happy New Year and see you next video.